Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. I hope that you are fine. Today students we are going to solve question number 2 of exercise 1.1. In this question we have to find out which of the following matrices are equal. So before going to solve the question we have to recap the definition for equal matrices. Students, here you can see the definition is written here. For equal matrices, two matrices are said to be equal if and if their orders and corresponding entries are equal. So, according to the definition, we have to find out, we have to see the orders of the matrices and their corresponding entries or elements. So, you can see in this matrix A, the only one element is given. The order of this matrix is 1 by 1. In matrix B, there are how many rows? Only one row. And how many columns? Two. So the order of this matrix B is 1 by 2. Similarly, here you can see in C matrix the numbers are given 5 minus 2. The number are given as 5 minus 2. So if we subtract 2 from 5, so we get 5 minus 2 is 3. Now see the order 1 by 1. Now the next matrix is D. So in this matrix there is only one row and there are two columns. Hence the order of D is 1 by 2. In order of E is 2 by 2. Two rows and two columns. In F, order of F is 2 by 1. And here in G matrix you have to find out subtract 1 from 3. So 3 minus 1 is 2 and then 3 plus 3 is 6. Now this the order of this matrix is there are two rows and one column. So order is 2 by 1. In H matrix the order is 2 by 2. It means that there are two rows and two columns. In I matrix, first you have to solve it. Here is 3 and now 3 plus 2 is 5. So here the order is 1 by 2. In J matrix, first you have to solve it. 2 plus 2 4. 2 minus 2 is 0. 2 plus 4 is 6. 2 plus 0 is 2. Now the order is 2 by 2. There are two rows and two columns. Now students, you can see first thing is the order and then the corresponding entries. Now you can see the matrix A is equal to matrix C because first thing is their orders are same and their corresponding entries are also same. So matrix A is equal to matrix C. Now we come to the matrix B. Here the order is 1 by 2 and what about the matrix D? Order is 1 by 2, but we have to see the other thing, that is the corresponding entries. Here the entries are 3 and 5, in D 5 and 3. So the only one condition is fulfilled, second condition is not fulfilled. So that's why B is not equal to D. Now we have to see the another yes, I matrix. So here you can see the order is 1 by 2 and B the order of B is also 1 by 2. The order is same. Now we have to see the corresponding elements. So here is 3, 3, 5 and 5. So B is equal to I. So B is equal to I matrix. Then we come to E matrix. The elements are 4, 0, 6 and 2. Order is 2 by 2. Now we see the another matrix, then yes, J. The order is 2 by 2 and also the H matrix is also 4, 0, 6 and 2. Students, these three matrices are equal. Matrix E, matrix H and matrix J. Matrix E is equal to H and H is equal to J, and also E is equal to J. So these three matrices are equal. Why they are equal? Because their orders are same and their corresponding entries are equal. Now, which matrices are left? Yes, G matrix. The order of this matrix is G matrix is 2 by 1, and yes, we have to see the, oh yes, F matrix. F and G are equal. So order of F is 2 rows 1 column 2 by 1, and G matrix 2 rows and 1 column, so 2 by 1. So these both are these are equal. Students, I hope that you have understood this question, and in this question we have to find out the equal matrices, and in these following matrices, matrix A is equal to C, matrix B is equal to I, matrix E is equal to H, matrix E is equal to J, and matrix H is equal to J, and matrix F is equal to G. Students, I hope that you have enjoyed this video, and if you want to ask any question, so you can send me, yes, send me your question in comment box. Thank you so much. Take care. Allah Hafiz.